Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Wi-Fi is on and that you're connected to the network you want to measure. Open Settings now. On Windows, search Network and Internet. On Android, open Settings Network. On iPhone, go to Settings Cellular, then Wi-Fi Assist if needed. Once done, locate the Data Usage or Network Usage section. This is where real-time and historical consumption lives. Make sure to note whether you're viewing per app, per interface, or total device usage before proceeding to deeper filters. Once you're in the data usage screen, choose the time frame you need. Today, 7 days, 30 days, or a custom range, because totals change with the selected window. Then apply the Wi-Fi filter or toggle to per app view to see which apps consumed the most data. This matters for diagnosing background syncs versus streaming. You can tap an app to view session details, restrict background activity, or export the report. Make sure to note spikes and repeating patterns for the troubleshooting step. Now take action. Restrict background data, set app permissions, or uninstall offenders to stop future consumption. Reset statistics or create alerts so you can easily compare before and after changes. This proves effectiveness. If numbers look wrong, reboot the router and device, check router firmware, and test usage from another device to isolate issues. If an app still shows unexpected traffic, force stop it, clear cache, or temporarily disconnect Wi-Fi while you investigate further. Those steps usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.